nice sleep. The other side doesn't get touched. So yeah, waking up in the afternoon, guys. It's me here. Hello, shalom, good morning. Let's see what the day brings. I mean, the day is halfway, you know. Right, it's not a lovely day. It's not, you know, that all of that. But anyways, guys, I've got a lot of waiting for me. A lot and a lot. I'm going to grab a coffee and yeah, just follow me my day, see what I get up to, sorting out this room, sorting out my desk, sorting out a bunch of stuff. So let's crack on. I'm not going to show you guys all this stuff on the floor. Someone bought 2 things and I'm digging out, guys. I'm that embarrassed because I had to put everything on the ground and it's a mess. Let's just keep to myself, you know. Let's see what the day brings and yeah, follow me, guys. So the mess, guys. Well, it's not mess, it's like puzzles, and I've got all of this stuff there. So yeah, I've got all of that in the couch. Let's put this light on. Some stuff on the table that I was just doing some stuff like sorting out boxes, some jewelry that I sold. I don't know why is this doing in the middle here. No idea. We've got tissue there with the makeup. We have got crochet stuff. And yeah, guys, I mean, in the kitchen is not different. It's perhaps even worse. I think things I want to show you guys. Dirty dishes and rubbish, dirty dishes, and yeah. Anyways, let me stop embarrassing myself on what do I have to do. Unfinished cake. I mean, it's just shambles, guys. Shambles. Okay, let's crack on. This is breakfast and an apple. Probably gonna have an apple as well. Yeah, guys, I know croissant has got ham and also a cup of tea. Then we have got this here, spreadable ghost cheese, which is very nice. It's like this. Look at the consistency. It's like this. Let me move this out of the way first. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Right. Like thick, like almost like yogurt, but I mean thicker than yogurt. You see, my knife is dirty, but dirty with the butter. See, like that. It's nice, very tasty. Here, very nice. Not a lot of these though, because otherwise we're gonna sabotage the diet. I'm not having a diet, just changing my habits perhaps. But yeah, all sliced up nicely. These apples are changing color. It's like it was next to an onion. Oh gosh, let's see if it still tastes like an apple. Yes, I tried the apple cider vinegar once again, and I used to have it before, and I wasn't hungry for many hours. I think you guys should try if you want to suppress appetite and so on. Sorting out the place, guys, is very important. You know, your eyes has to be able to see cleared spaces, nice surface, not clutter, no junk, no dust. Is very important for the mental health as well, you know, because when you see all this clutter and mess, pretty much your mind gonna be working similar to your environment. So yeah, guys, let's crack on with this some cleaning. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm looking forward to change my apartment around, meaning with the colors. I mean, I love this black and the gold accents and everything. I love the emerald green, and yeah, a lot of people actually love it, but those are winter colors. So I'm looking forward to come up with different ideas for my new environment. I mean, I'm a changed woman right now, so I want a lot of things to change around me, and I want more things around me to be more about me, really. I now understand that it's important to be selfish, you know, to be selfish and look after yourself, and you have to come first. Don't put anything at the forefront of your existence. Anything, I mean anything, people, things. You are the most important person in all of this thing called life. This game that we're playing here on this earth, you are the most important actor, actress, you know, in this whole movie that we're playing in the world. So, whatever you wish to happen, for you to make it happen, go do it. Don't think of others the way I have done it. Guys, don't think of others the way I put everyone else at the forefront of my own existence. Yes, it's very important to remember that. It's very okay to be selfish.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Every time I think about getting rid of this the sofa, I can't. It's so comfortable, but I think I've got too many seats for, you know, it's not like I get a lot of guests because I don't really invite a lot of people. I'm very private. My friends complain all the time about me being so private. I'd rather go to their place than come into my place. And when they do come to my place, they always say, "Why are you keeping this place to yourself and your daughter?" Going to grab some ingredients to cook some things so I can have for my dinner. I'm applying a bit of powder, guys, and I put some black eyeliner on my lips. That's pretty much everything I've got on. I'm going to the off license, you know, like 2 roads down my place. So I'll take you guys with me as well. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you press that notification button so when I upload new videos, YouTube will notify you. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Welcome to my local store. So guys, I'm going to grab some things for breakfast as well as some ingredients so I can make my dinner tonight. And I hope, like I said, you are enjoying this video so far. You're gonna smash that like button for me. Thank you so much if you've done that. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I'm looking around for other things I need, but I want to go this week once again to Home Bargains because the prices there are just unbeatable to me. And I'm planning to also go to Lidl, and I'll film that for you guys as well. I'm just gonna wait for a ride. I want my friend to take me there, and yeah, so we're gonna have a busy week. Plenty videos coming your way. If you enjoy vlogs outside, is pretty much vlog, like, you know, my day today type of thing. Okay, that's what I do. And as we have to continue to live, life doesn't stop for anybody, guys, so we have to carry on. All right, so I hope you are having a great day and this video is entertaining you to the max or relaxing you. Either way, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you to all of you. 47 people this month have subscribed to my channel. I know it's not a lot compared to all these big huge channels, but imagine, you know, having 50 people in my room, you know, around me is a lot of people to me. Thank you so much. I hope not to disappoint you, and yeah. Yeah, one of the things. Nothing spicy. So I'm back from the store now, guys, and it's dark now. It's evening, so I'm going to prepare something for my dinner. Yeah, I bought you a cocktail as well. I'll be doing something on my computer. Now that I'm cooking for myself, so I am kind of a bit uninspired because I remember thinking like what to cook every day, you know, like, you know, when you're a mother, you have to, you know, like me, you know. I'm sure a lot of mothers are like that as well. Always think, oh, what are we going to eat tomorrow? What's going to be tomorrow? You know, I find myself like could skip a day without sort of cooking and just like munch whatever is in the fridge. But now is it kind of sort of I need to start thinking, you know, if I just eat what is around me, and that's no good, is it? So we're gonna get more recipes. I've learned few actually. I've learned few, and I'll be sharing with you as well in this channel. And I want to open a separate channel just to cook. Like, you know, I want a channel that I can show you guys some of my recipes and me really cooking and stuff like that, because I do enjoy cooking. I believe cooking is an art, you know, and yeah. The idea of transforming something that just looks like nothing into a beautiful dish, I think is just amazing and very tasty as well, isn't it? Like paper and steak, and then becomes that beautiful dish that you can enjoy with family and friends. How amazing. So this is what I'm going to be making. We have got the woodland mushrooms, we have got the eggs, the tomatoes, onions, and some spring onions as well, salad onions, you know. Then we have got cheese here, and I'm going to add tuna like a big omelette sandwich type of thing I'm making. Yeah, just something to support me for today. I added 4 eggs here. Yeah, gonna add the rest of the ingredients as well as my seasonings and so on. See you guys in a bit. So, done. Nearly. Yeah.
Outra foto que fica muito claro, e é isso também. Mas o negócio de revelar na hora e de ter essa emoção, assim, de ver como vai sair, que é a graça, sabe? Então, a gente
Thanks a lot for sticking around with me. I hope you had a blast like I did. I had so much fun putting this video together for you guys. Until next time, my friends, take care of yourselves and each other.